Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to find all saved passwords on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. Actually, there are two ways how you can find your saved passwords on your iPhone. So the first way is to open your iPhone library, here it is, and then at the top of your screen click on the App Library text bar, and then here you need to type passwords. Here it is, the first one, application. Open it, then click on the unlock, and then here you will see all your saved passwords. You can click on the all button, and then you will see different websites where you saved your password. So you can click on any of these websites and delete or change these passwords. So the second way how you can find your saved passwords is to go to your Safari browser or Google Chrome. Then you need to make sure you opened a Google Chrome web browser. And then at the top right corner you need to click on your profile image button. Here it is. Then you need to make sure you logged in your Google account. Then three dots button at the top left. Then manage your Google account. Here you need to swipe to the left this list of applications and find security option. Here it is. Then scroll down a little bit and find password manager and manage passwords button. Here it is. Then wait a little bit, then scroll down, and in this interface you will see all your saved passwords. So actually, as you can see, I have only two websites where I saved my passwords, but you can have more web sites. And that's all, and that's how to find all saved passwords on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.